Hey guys, in front of me is TCL 406 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First you have to open your phone dialer, then go to keypad. And now we can start. So the first code that I want to share with you today is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode in which you can check events and status. Then click on more icon and tap on advanced view to see more details. So let's go back then. Another code that you can use here is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we've got the calendar info. So all upcoming events, celebrations from every calendar that you have, that you are connected with this device, would be displayed right in front of you. You will not forget about anything. And another code that you can use, pretty short one, it is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information. So whenever you want to get your email or serial number, just enter this short code and it will be all displayed here. Tap on OK to exit. And actually these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. These are top 3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.